boy in the morning sun, running where the rivers run. Tiny puppy by his side, through the garden open wide. Apples red and mangoes sweet, soft green grass beneath their feet. Laughing loud and feeling free, happy as a boy can be. Run, run little puppy run, shining in the golden sun. Flowers dance and birds all sing, joy is in each little thing. Run, run little puppy run, happy hearts are having fun. In the garden we can see love and family. Walking slowly down the lane, smelling fruit and summer rain. Tiny puppy jumps and plays in the warm and sunny days. Boy sits down beneath the tree, takes his paper happily, draws a house and family, big fruit garden by the tree. Run, run little puppy run, shining in the golden sun. Flowers dance and birds all sing, joy is in each little thing. Run, run little puppy run, happy hearts are having fun. In the garden we can see love and family. Red, red apples in the tree, sweet, sweet mango just for me. Little puppy wagging tail, happy stories never fail. Boy draws mom and boy draws dad, bestest family he has had. Garden full of fruit and light, everything feels warm and bright. Run, run little puppy run, shining in the golden sun. Flowers dance and birds all sing, joy is in each little thing. Run, run little puppy run, happy hearts are having fun. In the garden we can see love and family. Little boy and puppy too, under sky so wide and blue. Fruit trees sway so happily, home and love